Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by going straight into Settings and into Biometrics and Security. Once there, choose Face Recognition and confirm your PIN or fingerprint. After authentication, tap the Face Recognition settings icon to reveal customization options. Make sure your device already has face data enrolled, otherwise enroll it now. Once enrolled, look for an entry labeled Icon, Display, or Face Icon Customization. Different manufacturers use different names. Tap that entry to begin changing the visible lock screen face icon. Now pick whether to use a built-in icon, an icon pack, or a custom image from your gallery. Once chosen, the editor opens. Crop and scale the image so the subject sits centered. Make sure the preview matches the lock screen shape, for example circle versus square. Grant any required storage or photos permission when prompted so the system can access your file. Once satisfied, tap Apply or Save. The system will write the new icon and prepare the lock screen overlay. Finally, press Save or Apply and immediately lock your device to verify the new face icon appears on the lock screen. If you don't see it, make sure the Settings app has photos/storage permission and restart the phone. Sometimes the launcher or lock app needs a refresh. If problems continue, clear the settings or lock screen cache or re-enroll your face data and repeat the customization steps. Troubleshooting tip: reboot and check for system UI or launcher updates before reinstalling any third-party icon apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.